Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to shoot a little quick video on how I pack the bike up to go moto camping. I'll start by packing up the trunk first, and I've got a big sleeping bag. This is a 2-person sleeping bag, and I've got my solar panel, full little rechargeable battery. It goes in here pretty good, and I'll have a little bit of extra space over to the side. And try to get a few more things in here. I believe I can get this battery pack in here. I didn't quite pack it this way last time I did it, but I think this will work a little bit better. These are my plates and my spoons and forks. So I think we can get all this in here. Oh yeah, no problem. We're gonna start on the saddlebags now. And I'll tell you what all I got as I'm putting it in. This is my little towel set, 3 towel set, tarps. This is my charcoal grill. I'm gonna show everything again when we're setting it all up. So, oops, dropped my string. Okay, now these are my chairs, my little fold-up chairs, hiking chairs. Okay, this is all my extra stuff. I've got a first aid kit, rechargeable lantern, canister for my stove, my pump for my bed, extra butane for the lighter. And that's gonna do it pretty much for that side. I've got these little LED lights that we put up around the camp, and there's a good space back in this corner right here. It's completely empty. So I'm just gonna set them down in there. We're good there. Okay, so now we'll start over here on this saddlebag. Got my hatchet. This is my cooking pots. It's got my little butane canister for the stove. It's got my stove in there, got my holder in there. We'll take that all out when we get there. Okay, these are my foldable canopy posts. That's not actually what they are, and I'll explain what they are exactly and why I use them. But that's what I'm going to use them for, okay? Rechargeable fan for inside the tent. And this is my little cooking kit. Go right in here. Okay, I've got a little extra room. I'm going to look around. The only really things that are left are my backpack that has my clothes, the tent, of course, and a cooler, because I will be taking some food to cook, and I'm using a little zip Yeti bag, so you'll see that in just a second. And I'll show you what, I know you're thinking, oh, he's got a tent. I've got an air mattress still. I've got a couple other things, but I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna get them all on here. Okay, now normally a lot of people would put their big items like their tent, their backpack and things like that on their back seat. But since I want my wife to be able to ride there, I bought this little rack that here next to this trailer hitch, which I don't have a trailer, but to get it to hold on there, you screw the ball on there. So, and then I made a little quick connect here to plug it together. It comes with these little pins that you secure it with. Now I had that little quick connect for the electronics because I added a bunch of lights to this, because depending on what you put on here, it could block your tail lights, and I didn't want to take a chance. So I just added more lights, brake light. So it really helps it light up back there. What I'm planning to put on here, I haven't used it yet, is my cooler, which I don't have anything in my cooler right now, but I will in the morning when we get ready to leave. And my air mattress. And then I just plan on strapping it down real good. About like that. Might put some other stuff on there. Big tent, 7-person tent, will go on here. My backpack on top, and I'll strap it down. Okay, so I put it all up here like this. My backpack's nice and orange, so it shows up good too. Got a little ratchet strap, and it'll go on there. I'll tighten it down a little bit better when I'm actually going. So this is my camera equipment. I've got my GoPros in this little container, my drone and screen all in here. I do have plenty of space for the GoPro. Let's see, let's lay this up here. Put this in here, and that should be good. And this will have to go on top also. So I'll put it up here, strap her down. So this is how I pack it up, or I plan on packing up. First time doing with the rack and doing it this particular way. Last time I had it all packed, all the big items on the back seat. So that's it. Until next time, stay safe. And remember, life's short, ride.